dedicate to a girl named Alisha from Jamaican Road between Bedford and Flatbush. Now we friend that song put two and two together but to never get bored. We get hungry belly. Sing Alisha, Alisha, you're the best. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I know. So I'm gone. I'm not to name Alisha. I'm to be on the stone fence flying on murder. Yes, I know. So I'm gone. I'm not to name Alisha. I'm to be on the stone fence flying on murder. The gala, hungry belly, the gala, hungry belly, hungry belly, the gala, hungry belly, with a French style right and a burger body. Every day she wake up, she gone down on Wendy. I know the school, a blonde, a black, she name Alisha. And she keep on the stone French style and burger. Yes, I know the school, a blonde, a black, she name Alisha. And she feed by the stone fence fire and burger. Every day she see me what a bag of money. She want 5, 10, 15 and 20. She want all the money, yes, the fine burger. She want all the money, to spend outside, yes.
Ribby-dibby nobody, ribby-dibby nobody, ribby-dibby nobody, ribby-dibby nobody. Easy miss a catch you on the down, yes. Easy miss a catch you on the down. Yes, me going to sting them like a bees and bite them like a scorpion. Anywhere me pass from here, the mic condition we call it under pressure the world, under pressure to the friend them, under pressure the world, under pressure to them under pressure the world, under pressure to the leaders of the world and them a fight for power. And one of them a say him control America, the next one a say him rule in Russia, and one of them a say him control China, the next one a say him control Cuba. One a rule Libya, one rule Uganda. But me say gunshot a bust up in a Nicaragua. And every day them get up training like a gorilla. Gaddafi and the leader, me say down a Libya. Him not afraid of Ronald Reagan who a run America. Cause if them start the war up here, nuclear power. But every day them get up fighting like a gorilla. And fighting for the world we control by Chacha. But me ask you a question, me want to answer. Say where is the throne of Alisha Bamba? Me say down Africa, down in Ethiopia. And some say Jah dead and they don't have no one. But why them don't give it to a prime minister? And give a president or a hero leader. If a guy touch the tune, just set him soul on fire. Come and take it from the cat, the beer back rider. We me call it under pressure the world, under pressure to the mother, under pressure the world, under pressure to the father, under pressure the world, under pressure to the friend, under pressure the world, under pressure to the leaders of the world and them a fight for power. And every day them get up living like a gorilla. I say million a spend up on the nuclear power. And all over the world poor people a suffer. But why them don't take the money feed sufferer? Come take it from the cat, the beer back rider. You know here we are going down in South Africa. Poor people was killed by fly and mosquito. And I listen me say cat and murder me charge for. Me say Africa the land of the black structure. But the white man invade and rip off with silver. Yes, them take off with gold and make a bag on the law. And every day them have the black man under pressure. What I call it?
Greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin.
Wait the town and tell the people.
You live the life you love. You love the life you live. Everything you have in mind, Jah will give. Love. Greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin. Greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin. For all the diamonds and the money and pearls, I hope you like them music keep digging down the well. No If they talk about love, they talk about love. If they talk about love, 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 sweet love. Listen, men in the house of nations fight for more power, brotherly love. For it's easier to write a story in a longer hour, brotherly love. No godly love, but there is always a daily grace. And it took a miracle to put love into hatred. Yet they talk about love, they talk about love. Yes, they talk about love, love, love,
in the style.